Hello, everyone. Session 6. What are the chances? Here's where we get to put it all together and think, what is the probability of finding life within your lifetime or within the next 10 years even? Uh, Francis Drake started out in 1961 setting out the Drake equation as an agenda to a conference he was holding, telling all his colleagues, asking all his colleagues, what are the factors we need to pay attention to? What do we have to measure if we were to figure out what the probability is or how many civilizations are out there waiting to find us? And they were talking about intelligent civilizations sending signals and receiving signals from us to communicate with us. More recently, Dr. Sarah Sager has come up with the Sager equation to look at what's the likelihood that we're going to find a planet with a life form, communicative, intelligent or not, just a life form with our telescopes. So you're going to look about both of those equations in this session. And the only other big thing about the session, continue on with your discussions, of course. They should be getting rich and engaging and really getting yourselves thinking with each other. And you're getting ready for your term paper. There's a term paper assigned now. It's due on the last night of classes. I want them to be creative. I want you to show me everything you've learned. I can tell a packaged, I wrote this the last 2 nights just trying to convince you that I know how to do an assignment versus a really good, solid, I thought about this term paper. Been teaching this course for 15 years now. I can tell them apart. I'm also starting to deal with something else in this class, which is people who use these services to buy papers or use papers from past sessions or something. And again, I can't say enough how much that disappoints me and frustrates me, and therefore I have all kinds of checks in place, and if caught, prosecute to the full extent. That's all I can say. For those of you who are getting bored with that and are doing this class because you really want to learn and you have integrity and want to do a good job, thank you. You can ignore this. To the rest of you, don't do it. This is your life. This is your course. This is how you represent yourself as a person in an academic community. Just do the work and enjoy.